माननीय सुधा मूर्ति जी, माननीय सुधा मूर्ति जी,
Thank you, sir.
your subject is demand to design new electrical grids.
Giving me a chance to talk.
Yes.
There's a saying, Shubhaste Panthanu Santu. Oh, traveler, when you are traveling, everything should go well. With beautiful roads from the Department of Transport, under Mr. Nitin Gadkari, we are all enjoying the great network of India. But there is a small problem in that. He himself said that the 40% of them, the pollution, it comes from the road transportation. So this is a time for us. We have to think about pollution and how to reduce it. There are many ways to reduce, but I want to take one way that is known as the electrical vehicle, and we call it as EV in general. When you have electrical vehicle, things will be better, pollution will be reduced, green gas emission will be less, carbon dioxide will be less, it's fine. But to have that, we require following things. That is my suggestion. If we follow that, it will be really great. Number one, there is a new word by the name range anxiety. It has come into the picture. That means if you have electrical vehicle, you are always under anxiety when the battery charge will be over. So you have to always look at when I get a charging station. And when you get a charging station, following things, you have to think there will be a big queue. Second one, in winter it doesn't charge very well because the battery cannot take it. Number three, how much time I get to charge my battery. To do all these things, we should have good electricity production. Normally, state produces electricity either by hydel or by thermal, maybe some people by nuclear. The kind of electricity we produce, it may be enough for our own state. In that case, where will I bring the extra electricity? I may have 10 charging points, but if I don't have electricity, they are null and void. So this is the main concern, the production and distribution of electricity for the charging points, for the level 2, to reduce the range anxiety. Second thing, like heart to the body, for electrical vehicle, the heart is a battery. There should be a good BMS, that is battery management system, and there should be a cell which also should be a very good quality. Then only the batteries can work very well and efficiently. Recently in Rajasthan, we have found out there is a new, the Lithium is available. So it will be a great idea if in India we can manufacture our own batteries, and that makes us independent, self-dependent, not dependent like oil. Then we can produce a better design batteries which will help us for the EV vehicle in a long way. There is a third point is technician training. Without that, it will be really incomplete because there is no good technical training, or there are people who do not understand this technology. So it's a view.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak. सर, दिल्ली वाले बहुत सौभाग्यशाली हैं कि यहाँ से यमुना नदी गुजरती है, जिनका वर्णन हमारे वेदों में और महाभारत में भी है। पर सर, आज बहुत दुख की बात है कि ये नदी हमारी नाकामी की वजह से एक तरीके से नाला बन गई है। सर, इस नदी की सदियों से पूजा होती आई है, पर आज दिल्ली में 22 नाले इस नदी में गिरते हैं, यमुना नदी में गिरते हैं। और सर, 238 मिलियन गैलन अनट्रीटेड सीवेज हर दिन इस नदी के अंदर डाला जा रहा है। सर, हालात ये हो गए हैं कि ये नदी जहरीला, झाग ज्यादा दिखती है और पानी कम। सर, इस नदी का बहुत छोटा सा अंश दिल्ली से गुजरता है, लेकिन उसी अंश में 76% ऑफ यमुना गेट्स पोल्यूटेड। सर, हालात बहुत खराब है। 55 सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स की अर्जेंटली ज़रूरत है, जिसमें से दिल्ली में सिर्फ 35 हैं, और सर उनमें से 22 तो स्टैंडर्ड्स भी नहीं मीट करते। सर, हर दिन दिल्ली में इलीगल तरीके से कई इंडस्ट्रीज और फैक्ट्रीज हेवी मेटल्स, टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स इस नदी में बहाती हैं, और सर उसकी वजह से हमारी ज़िंदगी में जहर घोला जा रहा है, जिसके ऊपर कोई कार्यवाही नहीं हो रही। सर 2021 में दिल्ली सरकार ने ये वादा किया था कि वो यमुना नदी को इतना साफ कर देंगे 2025 से पहले पहले कि वो खुद उसमें डुबकी लगाएंगे। पर सर हजारों करोड़ रुपए खर्च होने के बावजूद आज भी स्थिति वैसी की वैसी ही है। सर हालात इतने खराब हैं, यमुना नदी हमारी माँ है और वो आज वेंटिलेटर पर है और सर बस राजनीति हो रही है। सर मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि ये खोखले बयानबाजी, ये झूठे वादे, ये ब्लेम गेम, सर इससे दशा नहीं बदलेगी दिल्ली की। सर दिल्ली सरकार को कहना चाहती हूँ कि जब तक उनकी नीयत साफ नहीं होगी तब तक यमुना का पानी साफ नहीं हो सकता। और सर मेरा ये कहना है कि दिल्ली में सर सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स को हमें युद्ध स्तर पे बनाना ही होगा, नहीं तो यमुना नदी का यही हाल रहेगा और इसके लिए हमें केंद्र सरकार के सहयोग की भी पूरी ज़रूरत है। सर मैंने कुछ पंक्तियां लिखी हैं और मैं उसको बोलना चाहती हूँ। सर यमुना के किनारे बैठी अब भी वो चिड़िया कहती है, सपने हसीन दिखाए थे सरकार ने, पर सर आज भी मेरी यमुना जहर पी के बहती है। सर वादा था यमुना को शुद्ध बनाएंगे, पहली डुबकी खुद लगाएंगे, डुबकी चाहे अब मत लगाओ, अहंकार छोड़ो, काम पर लग।
थैंक यू सुश्री मालीवाल जी, थैंक यू माननीय श्री एन चंद्रशेखरन, Honorable Sri N. Chandrasekharan, request for privatization and
Honorable
funding
Deputy
of the
Chairman, sir,
Itari
I would like to
Tuticorin
bring
railway corridor.
to the attention of the Honorable Minister for Railways the need for a separate railway corridor to transport manufacturing goods and raw materials from Itarsi in Madhya Pradesh to Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu via Vijayawada. The scheme was announced by the former Railway Minister, Honorable Lalu Prasad, on the floor of Parliament. Along with this, two other schemes were also announced and completed with the help of the World Bank and the Bank of Japan. However, the corridor from Itarsi to Vijayawada, which should extend up to Tuticorin, has not been started yet. Tamil Nadu is a major manufacturing state, and including the scheme in the budget would greatly benefit its industrial development. This scheme has been assured. I do not understand why it is being delayed. Our former Chief Minister Tamil Nadu and now present State Assembly Opposition Leader, Honorable Edappadi Palaniswamy, has also consistently urged the central government to extend this scheme. Therefore, I request the Honorable Minister for Railways to line up the scheme, allocate sufficient funds, expedite its implementation, and support the industrial development of Tamil Nadu. Thank you for giving the opportunity to speak on the funding of the Itarsi Tuticorin Railway Corridor scheme. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.